Hello people, this is my 5 minutes bow DIY tutorial. Welcome to my channel. That is me looking all pretty. I'm so excited about this. Now let's get started. Now we're going to place the fabric so that the wrong side faces upwards. Then you fold one end like I'm doing right now. Then you fold the other end on top of the one that was folded before. Then you fold this end, fold the other ends. A lot of foldings to be done. Okay, once that is done, try to make sure the edges are nicely folded. Then go to the middle and just nip it at the middle. Just nip it at the middle of the length of the folded fabric. Try to pleat it when you get to the center so that it gives you this very nice bow shape. Then you now secure it with a thread, right? Try to double the thread so it's a little bit firmer when you're it's a little bit firm when you're tying it. So secure it nicely, and then that took you probably less than a minute to even do. So it says I probably would have said a minute bow tutorial. Then you cut out the excess thread, and we have our pretty looking bow. Yay! Can you tell I'm excited? Okay, after that is done, the extra piece is going to be used to cover the thread, the part that was secured with the thread. So we're going to use this extra piece to hide the thread inside, so you know it looks well finished. And also this little fabric we're going to use also acts as an attachment point for you to clip your bobby pin under it, or clip your hair clip so that you can attach it to your hair. So you put it round to cover the whole thread like I'm doing. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Just do it that way. I'm going to show it again so you understand clearly what I'm doing. So you put it round to secure it. Once that is done, you now get your needle and thread that has been knotted, and you now sew it up so that those two loose ends are secured. But if you don't want to go through the stress of using your needle and thread, just use your glue gun and secure the loose ends as well. Just use the glue gun to stick it to each other, and it's going to stay in place. It's not going anywhere. So that's about it. Very, very easy, I must say. And I'm so excited to be sharing this tutorial as my first tutorial on. In fact, this is my first video on YouTube. Not my first tutorial, my first video on YouTube. I'm really excited, and I picked the bow because it was the first project I ever did that I actually sold. I do a lot of DIYs, but the bow was one thing. That was the first DIY project that I sold. I think I did some cute ribbons or so and sold, and that was some years back. So I'm very, very excited to share this with you. And recently I got 2 requests when I told somebody how easy this was to make. So I had to demonstrate it to them through a video on WhatsApp. So I just decided to make a video about it. So yeah, we have our bow. Ain't that cute? So I'm just demonstrating where you can put the hairband or the bobby pin, but I'm still going to show you how to do that later on. So I think I made extra bows already. I think I made 2 before I did this video. So yeah, see them looking all cute and yep. So there, we just put our hairband through that hole to attach it. It goes up through that. I like using this method because, you know, in that case I have different options to use with the with the hairband instead of just having one hairband with one bow. So I just use this method so I can change my bow as much as I want to match my outfit. So there we have it, looking cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please help me out by liking it, by sharing, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to bring you very interesting stuff on my platform. Super excited about it. Thank you. Peace.